Hey guys, Jack here, welcome back to the channel, hope you're doing well. This is a very quick and simple video for everyone outside of the US on how to install a SIM card into the new iPhone 15 series. So this applies to all the models, the 15, 15 Pro, the 15 Plus and the 15 Pro Max. And if you're also in the US or outside, you can also set up an eSIM, which I'll show you how to do. So all you need for this is a SIM ejection tool, or failing that, you can use a paper clip, anything with a small point like this. Take your phone, it can be on or off, go to the left hand side and you'll see here just below halfway a little slot. Go ahead and pop the SIM ejection tool into the hole on that slot and it will pop out like so. You can see there. Use your finger and thumb just to pull it out. You can see the SIM tray there with a little notch in the top left. So if you take your SIM card, again with contacts facing forward and that notch in the top left, go ahead and just slot it in and you can see it is flush with the tray. Once you have it like that, with the contacts facing the front of the phone, just go ahead and slide it back into the hole there. Make sure it is flush so that it keeps the water and dust resistant. If we give it a second, we can see we've already got cell service, so we are connected. If I just log back in, I'll show you how to set up an eSIM. So all you need to do is head into settings, then into mobile service, add eSIM and give it a second, and then it will pop up with this option. You can either transfer from a nearby iPhone, so if you're setting up a new phone, best to do that, or if you have a QR code from your carrier, go ahead and tap that and you can scan it or enter in the details manually. There's also the option to set it up via an app, something like Allo, which I use when I'm abroad. I'll leave links down below and that walks you through how to do it, and it also has a discount code as well. If you guys have any questions or comments, do post them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, do please hit that like button, always helps out the video and the channel. And if you have just got your new iPhone 15, looking for accessories, highly recommend checking out ESR. They have a great range of cases and screen protectors. You can see here I'm rocking the screen protector, or maybe not, it's very well hidden, but highly recommend ESR if you are looking for some accessories. So I'll leave links in the description as well. If you're new, go ahead and get subscribed on the left there for upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.